Jai Gurudev and very good morning. I am Professor G.S. Popli, Director, Delhi School of Professional Study and Research, Delhi. Thank you very much for making me a part of this wonderful program. The program titled as Happiness and Fulfillment. Very good title and content also being shared through stories, through lecture, through videos, through assignments. Excellent. Dr. Ajay Kumar Singh, Vice Chancellor SSU University, with the divine blessings of His Holiness Shri Shri Ravi Shankar Ji Maharaj, has designed a program in a very nice way. And the timing is very perfect when the entire world is facing one of the worst virus and negativity has surrounded the entire universe. This program has shown us a new ray of hope and it has given us a food for thought. We have been forced to introspect and think that who am I, why am I, where am I, where I want to be, how I want to be, and how I want to be remembered in this world. Definitely, it shakes our conscience and forces us to think the basic questions which are attached to a human being. Because only in this human body we can focus on these questions. All other creatures, they also have the feelings, but they cannot dwell on these basic questions. Very rightly, it has been pointed out that this body is made of the five basic elements, that is earth, fire, air, space, and water. And one saint says, when this body will perish, air will go to the air, fire will go to the fire, earth will go to the earth, water will go to the water, space will go to the space, where this soul will go. The sixth element is very important. That is behind all the elements. If I am happy, I can make others happy. If I am not happy, how can I make others happy? So, sense of fulfillment, if it is there, you can definitely feel and spread this love and affection to one and all. And that is what Dr. Ajay Kumar Singh and the entire team has done. The discussions are very healthy. The stories shared are very motivating. Assignments also are very interesting and really gives us a chance to rethink. Because realization is ultimately very important. When I have realized and I have redesigned my path of life, then it becomes a journey. It becomes a journey full of happiness and fulfillment. This is what the program has given us. One philosopher, Amartya, says that once I have taken a decision, the entire universe conspires to make it happen. Because decision making is very important. And the decision is definitely directed or motivated by the good persons we are surrounded by. So during this first unit phase, definitely the program has been able to generate these basic questions and makes us to realize ultimately super soul is there who is directing our life, who is directing the universe. We must realize the important role of God and to make every moment of life a worship, a reason to smile, a reason to be happy, a reason to spread happiness. This is what the great saints have done in their life. Swami Vivekananda says, if my mind can conceive it, my heart can receive it, my hands can do for it, I know I am going to achieve it. So thanks to Dr. Ajay Kumar Singh and his entire team for drafting the program in a very nice way. The timing is also very important, and really we are blessed to be a part of this program. May God bless you all. Keep on spreading the happiness all around. Thank you very much. God bless you.